MINISFORUM G1 Pro Mini PC Ryzen 9 8945HX RTX 5060 Review, 16 cores, DLSS 4, and desktop power. You're surrounded by a massive tower, tangled cables, and a GPU that sounds like a jet engine when you game. Your workspace feels like a server room. A designer had to move his entire setup to make room for a client meeting table. The tower had to go. Sound familiar? Ever wish powerful computing didn't demand so much space? Every cable managed, every inch of lost desk space drains focus. You've considered smaller systems, but they throttle under real workloads or can't handle gaming. It's exhausting. A developer abandoned rendering projects because his laptop couldn't handle heat and crashed mid-export. The frustration stuck. But there's hope. Real power exists in tiny packages now. Enter the MINISFORUM G1 Pro Mini PC, powered by an AMD Ryzen 9 8945HX with 16 cores and 32 threads, reaching up to 5.4 GHz, paired with 32 GB of DDR5 memory and a 1 TB PCIe 4.0 solid-state drive. This isn't just a compact computer, it's a genuine desktop replacement, equipped with NVIDIA's RTX 5060 8GB graphics and DLSS 4, delivering gaming and creative performance that rivals full towers. Don't just pick any mini PC, make sure it includes a dedicated RTX 5060 with DLSS 4, so you never deal with thermal throttling, weak frame rates, or render bottlenecks again. You get 32 GB of DDR5 5200 memory, expandable to 64 GB, dual M.2 PCIe 4.0 slots, Wi-Fi 7, 5 Gigabit Ethernet, and Bluetooth 5.4. With two HDMI, two DisplayPort 2.1, and DisplayPort 1.4 outputs, you can run up to 4 simultaneous 4K displays. One video editor cut her 4K export time from 45 minutes to under 12 minutes. The compact chassis fits beside your monitor, mounts behind it, or disappears into your entertainment setup. This is workstation-class power that adapts to your space. Imagine arriving at your desk, connecting 4 monitors through HDMI and DisplayPort, and instantly having a rendering and gaming powerhouse that stays whisper quiet until you push it. Projects load faster, compile times shrink, and gaming at 1440p with ray tracing feels effortlessly smooth. That's everyday reality. A tech publication noted, the G1 Pro delivers desktop-class performance in a fraction of the volume, genuinely impressive engineering. An industry analyst observed, it blurs the line between compact workstation and gaming rig, offering a compelling alternative to bulky towers. A content creator shared, I edit 4K footage in DaVinci Resolve with GPU acceleration. The RTX 5060 handles color grading effortlessly, and the 16 cores never slow down. A programmer said, compile times dropped from 8 minutes to under 3 minutes. Worried about heat? The advanced cooling system intelligently manages thermals, silent during normal work, only ramping up during sustained loads. With upgradable memory and dual M.2 storage, you're never locked into today's limits. Doesn't your workflow deserve this level of power without the bulk? Professionals who switch rarely go back. The MINISFORUM G1 Pro Mini PC is available now, but high-performance mini systems with RTX 5060 graphics don't stay in stock for long. Creators, gamers, and professionals are already upgrading. Reviews confirm it delivers. One buyer said replacing his tower with the G1 Pro freed up his desk and transformed his workflow overnight. Don't settle for wasted space or thermal compromises. You get 32 GB of DDR5, a 1 TB SSD, Wi-Fi 7, and 5 Gigabit Ethernet included. Check the link in the description, secure your G1 Pro today, and experience true power in a compact form.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.